start this off. Alright, it is 12:37. We are just leaving Rodney's. Early. We're not closing the bar down.
Because that's not how we do it tonight. Shout! Oh, you turn the flash on.
Shout. How that?
I don't know. I think it's your index.
Alright, yeah, no. Okay. So we're back to good. So, just left Rodney's. The bar to be. Met some nice ladies tonight.
Yeah, we did, for sure.
Okay. I think that light's on automatic. Regardless. So, we are, sending in I'm gonna call it an alcove.
An alcove. Yeah, an alcove.
I call it an alcove.
Oh, okay, trust me. Okay. You're probably drunk too.
We're about to walk back to the apartment.
It is cold as fuck out.
Yeah. Cold as
slippery to ice.
So, we're gonna videotape our walk back from Rodney. For all you viewers out there.
Friday we had first freezing rain, and then it switched to rain, which then froze. We're kind of in this cove to smoke skiggies.
We're ready to rock. Ready to rock.
Ready to rock. Half cock, ready to rock. Whoa!
Half cock, ready to rock. That's for me and you, Dave.
Ready, Freddie?
Yeah, we're rocking.
Alright, okay, here we go.
So I'm videotaping right Ryan taking a digger. We got Ryan taking a digger.
It's fucking slippery, eh?
We got other.
Hell yeah!
Not gonna happen. I saw right over there already.
Oh man! You guys going to Rodney's?
Yeah, actually we're trying to.
Yeah. We're there.
We got other.
We
got other people going to Rodney's. Got other people going to Rodney's. Oh no! Stick a digger. Stick a digger.
There it is. The truth. You guys were already there.
You
guys were sitting at the table where we usually sit at.
Okay, now turn that off. That makes me feel awkward.
Oh no! I videotape everything.
Really? You're gonna get like funniest home videos for her on her ass. We can do it again.
She took a sweet digger, but she did classy.
To our apartment and just have an after bar instead?
No, they gotta go. They gotta go to Rodney's.
Hey, take it easy.
We got 2 people going to Rodney's.
Hey, careful, it's icy.
Like they got style.
Yeah.
So 2 people.
4 content producers.
4 people going to Rodney's and or going to. Oh my God, my hands are cold. They got Santa hats on. We're just rocking the shit up. Rocking the shit up. Can't feel my fingers.
Oh man. Do it right like blizzard.
Okay.
Do my right.
I don't know if you guys realize this, but it's fucking cold as shit. I mean, I'm seriously. I can't feel my hands. I can't feel my hands.
She's already falling off.
My face is falling off. Okay. Video-wise, we got 2 people heading with the wind. Heading with the wind.
Rodney's is the place to be. Give us a report. Report? Alright. We need a report.
Okay.
I'd say
the report.
White guys.
White guys? We're white.
Okay, there are no black people there.
Remember,
there are no black people.
No black guys around. Once in a while you get a coon, you get a stray.
The coons are here with the bats.
Going to rock.
I've been coon on before. The bats are fun.
No, he ordered orange soda and he left. Maybe wall or something.
Holy shit,
and this is like probably 2 months ago. It's going on at Rodney?
Yes.
Alright. B&L sucks to hurt Mullins over there.
Mullins?
Yeah. Hi, man.
Who's in Mullins?
Take it easy.
Alright, those guys are cool as shit. That's on file. That's on file.
They say BL was coming up too. Dead. Oh. Hey! Mullins is where it's at, bro. Yeah, fuck Mullins. We're going home. It's cold as fuck.
I can't feel my
Good
fingers.
shot of fucking Vietnam.
Dead. There's nobody in there.
One broad.
Alright.
Like she's gonna go home.
It's just I can't feel my fingers. Can't feel my fingers.
My sock is about to fall off.
Can't feel anything on my hands.
Hey,
Sitting here. I don't know why I'm filming still.
probably 13 below. After the Lazard.
I'm still filming.
This is us running. This will be the same as us walking.
This is for the fans of me and Ryan.
As I come up ahead.
This is the fans.
Slide. Oh, don't slide.
I'm gonna no pass out. No pass out.
I'm
Cold. I can't feel anything anymore.
couldn't do a pull.
I can't feel anything. They get inside. I'm filming.
Oh, wind picked up. Take a seat. Oh, gotta turn around. Alright, let's go. Wind down.
I can't feel my hands. I can't feel. Come on, Storm. I can't feel my hands. Feel anything? Gotta go inside. Go inside. No, go inside.
Take the door. The drift inside.
I can't.
And open this bitch. It is cold. Don't get my hands. I gotta break for that shit. Oh fuck.
I can't feel anything. My fingers. My fingers. My fingers.
Hey. Shoes off. Get my slickers on.
My toes.
When I say slickers, I mean
Can't feel anything. It's just literally just happened. I can't believe that just happened. I can't make it.
In your room, we gotta do a review.
Can't make it. But that's not what we made. Thank God I have my heater on the whole time. Thank God for this little guy.
Oh yeah.
Oh my Lord. Yeah.
It's fucking cold out. Wind is blowing. We finally made it home. Glass is obviously fogged up. Hair's in a cold style. Tonight was pretty decent. Didn't come home with any broads, but met quite a few. A couple of twins. Kayla, the bartender, cool as always.
Yeah. No, Kayla is a sweetheart. Jeremy is a shit.
Jeremy's pretty sweet.
Who's the other guy?
Dustin?
No, not Dustin. Dustin was cool, but oh my God, my hands are cold. I couldn't even hold on. Like my phone was fucking wrapping on my finger.
Met a dude named John. Turns out he lives at the Maytag place.
What about Jeff?
Oh, Jeff, the old guy.
Jeff's the old guy. I
Told us some funny jokes. On a 3/4 video 3 of 4. Badass, my friend. Got an eye patch. I don't even know how the fuck he got that, but awesome.
He's got a fucking eye patch. Okay. So, regardless. Okay, this is where we're at right now. I'd say relatively feeling good. We're feeling good? You feeling good?
I'm feeling great. But losing the reels in my mouth.
Okay, so if I can have some beers and just kind of sit around and chit chat, maybe watch
Movie. Breakfast
yeah.
Club.
And well, I was gonna go with the Cavalcade of Comedy.
You got to?
You're just a poopet.
Come on!
You're just a poopet.
Regardless, you're gonna have a blast, you guys.
Yeah. What do we do? What do we do? And we'll make another one next and done some. Hey, bye.
Bye.
Just say bye.
Goodbye.